I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Select Avada Forms as a trigger. Click on the Fetch button and go to your form page to submit it and fetch the Avada Forms. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to your integration site and here you can see that the Avada Forms fetched successfully. Change the data types of the email and phone number. Set action. Search and select FluentCRM for action. Click Connect to FluentCRM for authorization. Authorization is successfully done. Click Next. Here select the action as you want. Choose the tag and which tags you want to associate with the user. Map the email field and click Next. Now save the integrations. Now visit your form page, fill it out, and submit it. Form submitted successfully. Go to FluentCRM and check the tag is associated with list contact or not. You see the tag is associated with a list of contact. Thanks for watching.